It's the girl Lex back at you with yet another video. For today's video, we will be installing this hair by LUVMEHAIR. It is a undetectable 13x4 lace frontal wig. I believe it's actually a full lace wig, but we'll double check and confirm once you open the box. So the hair comes in this purple bag. Then it also comes with this little pouch and this LUVME frontal wrap, an elastic band if any security needs to be added, a wig cap, and their return and refund policy. I'm going to open the pouch. It comes with some bobby pins, a nice little comb. It's not heat resistant, but you know, a comb is a comb because these combs be getting legs and running away. The tweezers, and that's it for the pouch. Then we have the LUVME frontal wrap. This is just a regular silk scarf to tie them edges up. So I'm happy, even though I have my own, but you can never have enough frontal wraps. So I'm excited about that. Now let's get on to the wig. All right. So this is the wig. It comes with this paper to keep the shape, I guess.
You got another one.
This wig is cute. No makeup or anything is added. And this is just flawless already. So I'm really excited. This is actually a full lace wig. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. This is how the inside of the wig looks. So it's no tracks. If I wanted to wear this in a nice little ponytail, which I'm not because I am gonna cut it, I could. It has adjustable straps for if I need more security. And remember, they also gave me the elastic band. Can't find it, but they also gave me the elastic band just in case I needed more security. But I have a small head, so I don't think I would need any more. I don't want it to be too tight and start bulking up. But this is their 12-inch wig, and the texture is straight. The wig was pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so thank you. And it's actually bleached to my liking, so I don't have to go in and bleach it again. But I am gonna go in and pluck it some more because I did want more thinner and natural hairline. So I am gonna do that. But I still have my braids in. Being that this is already straight backs, I'm not even about to take it out, wash my hair, re-braid it. I'm not gonna do all of that. We're just gonna reuse, reduce, and recycle these braids because I just gotta throw this wig on. That's all I need it for, you know? Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Let's get into this video though. I am using my Ericka J butterfly oil. I'm gonna tag all her products in the link below. She's literally so humble, so sweet. Hey Ericka, if you are watching, love you girl, can't wait to see you again. But this oil is my go-to oil. I'm just gonna rub it in. Make sure I focus on the parts that need butterfly growth. Back of my head probably look crazy. I already know, I could feel it, but I'm taking my 99% alcohol and just removing all of that oil, excess oil from my skin and that I just put, because you want to make sure that this area is clean. It has to be like super, super clean because the glue will not dry clear and it will not last. Your skin makes a whole bunch of sebum, which is oil, and you want to make sure it is dehydrated from the area where you are laying the lace. So I just cleaned across my whole hairline, and then I'm gonna add this Got To Be and brush those edges up. All of this that you're brushing back is gonna go inside of the cap. So I made sure that my blow dryer was on hot, or you want to keep it on as hot as you can take it, but it definitely has to be on warm so that it doesn't feel tacky anymore. You want it to feel, you know, not really hard, but you want it to feel molded. I am going to put my cap on to do the ball cap method. I like when my cap is lighter than my complexion because I can always add makeup. If I try to go for my skin complexion and it's not my skin complexion all the way, and I add makeup, it's just going to look darker. You can't add like brown makeup on top of a darker brown wig cap because dark on dark is just gonna be dark. You can't get light from. And I like to cut my air holes out just so that I could push this back a little bit because this is like really uncomfortable. I learned a new technique to take the glue and draw the hairline around instead of using Got To Be gel. When you do the glue and then you put the freeze spray, it's extra hold, bro. I learned that from watching some Instagram hairstylists, and that has been my technique ever since. I'm telling you, that cap does not move. That thing dries clear. It is unbelievable. So you guys already know I am using my Ericka J Hold Me Down adhesive because that is the glue that I recommend at all times. I'm gonna do this off camera because I like to be really, really close to my hairline because I do have a low hairline kind of that comes a little far down. I don't like my baby hairs on my eyebrows, so I need to be very precise, and I will come back when that is done. So I just put the glue around my hairline, then I'm going to free spray from my hairline to where about an inch after my braid starts, just to make sure that I have enough of the wig cap stuck down. The freaking freeze spray bottle fell, so you know how it started acting retarded, spraying all over the place. All right, now we dry. I just went ahead and plucked the hairline some more. I plucked a lot here because I am gonna cut because I don't want to have a two head. So I'm gonna cut some of this lace. So I wanted to pluck a little more so it did look on the natural side. And I plucked some over here because I do like my hairlines a little bit thinner so it looks more natural. Now I'm going to add some makeup on the lace. Do y'all see this? Like, what lace? Bronze. And I'm mixing it with a little bit of Perfect Copper. KAMOH, what's good, bruh? The hair is so full and bouncy. Coming back in with my alcohol cleaning around my hairline. This is my Ericka Hold Me Down adhesive skin guard. It's protective spray because I do have sensitive skin and I don't want the glue to irritate my skin, so I just use my spray. It smells good as well, and I put it on the spaces where I'm going to apply the glue. Hold me down, hold me down. So once it starts getting clear, that's when you go and apply the second layer. It dries clear relatively fast. That's what I like about this glue because I do have a little to no patience, and nobody wants to sit there for 24 hours and wait for some lace glue to dry. I think I'm going to do like 3 layers because I do want it to last for a long time, and I am working out, so I don't want the glue just lift up after a day or two. So I'm going to apply maybe like 2 more layers. And since this side is pretty much clear, we are going to apply a 3rd layer over here. Put some extra glue on this. Now I am gonna go in with my Ericka wax stick. Using my Ericka styling foam fluff stuff.
How about a little music to count me money to?
Well guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very educational. I hope you got to understand how I do my lace. I had to give this hair a 10 out of 10. It curls so nicely. The lace melts so flawlessly. I will definitely be ordering again. And thank you, LUVMEHAIR. Make sure you check the link in the description box below for the description of the hair, the direct link. Make sure you check out Ayden's clothing line, his Instagram page, and all of the above. Peace.